Can you tell me your name and what city you're from?
My name's Terry, and I'm from Livonia, Michigan.
All right, Terry. What kind of problems led you into this office?
Back pain and pain going down my side, down my leg, from my back, and my knees.
Okay. And so you had back pain, you had sciatica. How long was that going on?
Oh, probably almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah.
And your knee pain, how long was that going on?
I guess it's been going on for quite a while, but it just got worse.
Okay. And so you had stem cell therapy done about 4.5 weeks ago.
Right.
What have you noticed since then? How was your back pain?
The back pain's gone.
And what about that
pain,
sciatica?
That's gone.
And what kind of improvement are you getting with your knees?
The right knee's not, that's not bothering me like it did, but the left one is.
And
but
what percentage are you?
It's like 75%.
75% improvement. Now, are you able to do things now without the pain that you used to have before?
Yes, it's a lot.
Or less pain, I should say.
A lot easier, yeah.
What are you noticing? Like stairs a little bit easier?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
What's the thing that you do now more than anything where you could say it's a lot easier that you notice the most? Is it walking, stairs? What would you say?
Yeah, probably walking down the stairs. Yeah, and before I would stand there washing dishes, then my back would hurt. But now I can do it.
Now you can do it without having all those problems. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this testimonial. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.